Setting up EveryDollar budget categories is a straightforward process that helps you manage your finances effectively. To start, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the budgeting section. First, you need to understand the different types of budget categories available in EveryDollar, which include housing, transportation, food, insurance, and entertainment, among others. These categories are designed to cover all aspects of your spending, allowing you to track and manage your expenses efficiently. To set up your budget categories, begin by clicking on the Add Category button and selecting the category type that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to track your rent or mortgage payments, select the housing category. Next, assign a budgeted amount to each category based on your income and expenses. It is essential to be realistic and accurate when allocating funds to each category, as this will help you stay on track with your budget. A good rule of thumb is to allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like housing and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. As you set up your budget categories, consider your financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building a retirement nest egg. Assigning specific amounts to each category will help you prioritize your spending and make progress towards your goals. In addition to setting budget categories, EveryDollar also allows you to set up subcategories to further track your expenses. For example, under the food category, you can create subcategories for groceries, dining out, and takeout. By breaking down your expenses into specific categories and subcategories, you can gain a clearer understanding of where your money is going and make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Finally, review and adjust your budget categories regularly to ensure they remain aligned with your changing financial needs and goals. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent budgeting routine, you can effectively manage your finances and achieve long-term financial stability using EveryDollar budget categories.